Hold up. Hey, can I borrow one of those?
Sure.
Thanks, man. It's hard to find a good fire out here. Perfect. Perfect.
There it is.
Perfect. Don't worry, it wasn't anything valuable. It's just a junk insurance policy. Chances are, you've got one too. People say they don't like wasting money, but that's exactly what you're doing when you're paying for one of those junk policies. Well, if you've ever had the burning question of, are you paying for good insurance coverage? Well, wonder no more. Here's your cheat sheet. If you're over here, this is the danger zone. You want to get away from these companies as fast as possible. You are burning money. Over here, not the best, not the worst. It's manageable, but you could be doing much better. If you're here, this is as good as it gets in auto insurance. So if you have one of these companies on this side, you're doing pretty good for yourself. So what makes good coverage? It just depends on when you actually have to use it. All right, we're gonna make this interactive and bring in an actual guest with actual coverage. So come on in. Khalil, you're paying $200 for that coverage?
Yeah, never bothered me.
Have you ever used it?
No.
Then how do you know? What kind of services do you pay for and never use? You ever pay for a gym and not use the equipment? You ever pay for a newsletter and never read it? You ever pay for a streaming service and never watch it? How do you know you're paying for good service? How do you know it works? How do you know a fire hydrant's good unless you have a fire? You don't unless you use it. And this is no different. Let this be a public service announcement. If you think you have bad coverage or you're just not sure, we will give you a free attorney consultation to look through your policy, comb through it, and let you know what's good and what's bad. Don't be a stranger.
Oh man, that's hot. Stupid wind.